everyone, welcome to our English lesson today for grade 2. My name is Shanae Reneke and we are going to have a lot of fun with sounds as we play the phonics pathway game. By the end of this quick lesson, we have 3 goals to achieve. Firstly, we will be able to say the s, ch and th sounds correctly. We will hear the difference between these 3 sounds in our words. And we will use these new sounds to read all the words on our phonics pathway board. Let's meet our first pair of friends. The letters and the letter O are holding hands to make a new sound. Sh. Let's practice making the sh sound together, like when you're telling someone to be quiet. Shh, shh, shh. The word we see here is ship. Listen. Sh plus a p is ship. Here's another word with the sound sh. Fish. Listen for where the sh sound is. In the word fish, the sh sound is at the end. Next up are the letters C and H. When they hold hands, they make the ch sound. Let's practice the ch sound, like a sound a train makes. Ch, ch, ch. Look at this picture. It's a chair. Say it with me. Chair, chair. And here are our last 2 friends. T and H. When they are together, they make the sound. This one is tricky. You have to put your tongue between your teeth to make the sound. The word we see here is thumb. Say it again, thumb. Now it's time to practice distinguishing between the 3 sounds. We are going to read the following practice words together. Dish with sh at the end. 3 with th at the beginning. Bath with th at the end. Lunch with sh at the end. Church with the ch sound twice. Now for the main activity, the phonics pathway game. This is a great way to apply our new phonics knowledge. How to play. Here are the rules. Listen carefully, because this is how you move forward. You will roll the dice. Secondly, you will move your comment forward to the number you spaces you rolled. Number 3, you must read the word aloud on the space you learned. The core rule is you must say which sound you hear. S, ch, or th. If you are correct, you move an extra square forward. If you are wrong, you move back 1 space. The first player to finish wins the game. Let's watch an example. I have now thrown a 4. Let's see how that works. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've landed on shop. The sound I hear is sh. Now, for a quick review to finish our lesson, let's repeat the sound one more time. Sh, ch. The picture of the fish goes with which sound? Sh. The picture of the chair goes with which sound? Ch. And the picture of the thumb goes with which sounds? Well done, grade twos. We successfully achieved all our lesson outcomes today. We said the ch and th sounds correctly. We heard the difference between them and applied the knowledge while reading words on the phonics pathway. You're all phonics masters. Thank you for playing and learning with me today. Keep practicing your digraphs and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.